Hello friends, you are watching This is Awesome Videos, and today we are going to solve some past year JEE problems. Okay, so today I am not going to start any new chapter, but we are going to solve some past year problems of JEE. See friends, those students who are only preparing for JEE mains, please solve all the papers of JEE because the level of the paper is comparatively equal from for AIEEE and JEE mains. Okay, so let's see this question. This question is asked in AIEEE 2012. If the integral of 5 tan x upon tan x minus 2 dx is equals to x plus a ln mod of sin x minus 2 cos x plus k, then a is equals to what? Okay, so this is the question. Let's solve this. This is very basic integration question. I solved this out because you get the idea how we are going to solve it. Okay, let's see. Integration of 5 tan x upon tan x minus 2. We just convert tan x in the form of sin x upon cos x. So here sin x upon cos x, sin x upon cos x taken as LCM. So sin x minus 2 cos x, and in the numerator it's 5 sin x. Cos x gets cancelled out. Now see, in this type of problem, we use a definite method. Which is that method? This method is numerator is equals to, see, numerator is equals to denominator plus d by dx of d by dx of denominator. Numerator is equal to denominator plus d by dx of denominator. Please note down what I say right now. Numerator is equal to denominator plus d by dx of denominator. Now here, numerator is equal to 5 sin x is equals to denominator, that means sin x minus cos x, plus d by dx of this, that means cos x minus plus 2 sin x, and solve that and get the value of m and n. Then we have this. That means ultimately what we have to do, we just have to adjust the value that, such that one thing is the whole denominator and one thing is differentiation of the denominator. Here see, I just adjusted that sin x minus cos 2 cos x. Here we can say that sin x differentiation is cos x minus 2 sin x. So we left with 5 sin x, 2 cos x gets cancelled out. Okay, so this is a pretty good method. We all know that we follow this method in 12th standard. I am just write down. Okay, you can solve this sum by your own. Now just separate this two and get the answer. So I done that. 2 is get common, so integration cos x upon 2 sin x minus 2 cos x dx plus integration 1 dx plus k, because k is required because it's indefinite integration. Here it comes 2 log sin x, because this is a basic formula. In the numerator we have differentiation, in the denominator we have function. So log mod function is my answer. Log mod sin x minus 2 cos x plus k. So the compare with this question, a is equals to 2. So answer option number 4 is my right option. A is equals to 2. Okay, let's see one more one. So this is a pretty good question I found in AIEEE 2010. So we are going to solve this, a very easy question but still a tricky question. How we are going to solve this? Let p of x be a function defined on R such that p dash of x is equal to p dash of 1 minus x. This they have given, p dash of x is equal to p dash of 1 minus x for all x belongs to 0 to 1. P of 0 is equal to 1, p of 1 is equal to 41. Then integration of 0 to 1 p of x dx equals to. Now see, this is the, I can say this is the combination of differential equation and integration both. They have this type of differentiation equation given to us, and they asked 0 to 1 p of x dx. So here to put p of x here, we have to solve this equation, and if we solve this, we are going to integrate this. If we integrate this, we have a constant c, and for that constant, solving that constant c, we have this conditions. Let's do that. P dash of x is equal to p dash of 1 minus x given to us. This is the same. Now integrate both sides. So p dash of x, p of x is equals to p of 1 minus x, but here coefficient of x, that is minus 1 plus k. Because this is indefinite integration, we must have to apply the constant k. Now we all know this. X is equal to 1, so if I put x is equal to 1 here, we have the condition p of 1 is equal to 41. So x is equal to 1 here. So p of 1, and here it becomes p of 0. Okay, p of 1 we have 41, p of 0 we have 1, and k here. So k is, what is the value of k? K is 42. So we have a value of k, that is 42. Okay, now put this 42 in this equation number 1. So we have p of x is equal to minus p of 1 minus x plus 42. So we have this equation. This is very important equation. So let's do that. Now what they say, they ask I, that is integration of 0 to p of 1 p of x dx. Now we all know that integration of a to b f of x dx can be written as integration of a to b f of b plus a minus x dx. That means upper plus lower minus x. So same formula we use here, 1 plus 0 minus x, so it becomes p of 1 minus x dx. This formula we have learned in my video lectures. Those students who don't know that, please go to the topic video lecture and watch that. Okay, so here we have 0 to 1 p of 1 minus x dx. Now just add them up. So if we add them up, I plus I, that is 2i, integration 0 to 1 p of x plus p of 1 minus x dx. We add them up, so it's 2i is equal to 0 to 1 p of x plus p of 1 minus x dx. Now what is the value of p of x plus p of 1 minus x? P of x plus p of 1 minus x, here p of x plus p of 1 minus x is equals to 42. Just put 42 here. So 2i is equal to integration 0 to 1 42 dx. So 42 gets constant. So integration 0 to 1 1 dx, that is x 0, upper minus lower, that is 1. So 2i is equal to 42. That means I is equal to 21 as my answer. See, very good, very simple, but still a very tricky question. Combination of differential equation and integration both. So my answer option number 2 is my right option, that is 21. Okay, this type of question are going to be asked in JEE mains. Why? Because they are not going, you see, in almost 30, almost in chemistry, in mathematics, or in physics, they are trying to give us the questions which are tricky, not which have a very large formula. Okay, so please solve these questions. This is also asked in 2010. I recommend you to pause the video and solve it by your own, so you will get idea. So this is also a very good question, differentiation question. Let f is the function from -1 to 1 to r be a differentiable function with f of 0 is equal to -1 and f dash of 0 is equal to 1. Let g of x is equal to f of 2 f of x plus 2 whole square, and then g dash of 0 is equals to what? So we just have to find out g dash of 0. For that we have to find out g dash of x. So we just have to do in differentiation of this. Now let's do that. G dash of x, we are going to use a very basic chain rule here. G dash of x is equal to first cross differentiation, that means 2f of x plus 2. Then this differentiation, that means f dash of 2f of x plus 2. Now this inner parts differentiation, that is 2f dash of x plus 0. That means 2f dash of x. So this is my final answer. Now just put 0 at everywhere. So g dash of 0 is equal to 2f of 2f of 0 plus 2f dash of 2 of 0, 2f of 0. I just put 0 in each of them. Now I have value of all the things. See, first solve that. Okay, so as it is here, now we have two values. F of 0 is equal to -1 and f dash of 0 is equal to 1. So I just put it here. F of 0 is equal to -1 and f dash of 0 is equal to +1. F of 0 is equal to -1. So -2 plus 2, that means 0. Okay, we have 0 f of 0. F of 0 is equal to -1. -2 plus 2, that means 0 here. I put it down. And f dash of 0, that means 1. So it is 2 only. Now again we have f of 0, that is -1. F dash of 0, that is 1, and 2 here. So this becomes -4. So answer option number 2 is my right option. That is answer option number -4. Answer option number 2 is my right option. Okay, so still a very easy question but tricky question. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.